In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to group texts here in Canva. Now, this is actually probably a lot easier than you think. When you have two types of text which you want to group, like this text just here and this text just here, all we want to do is click, drag to highlight the text that we want to group together. Then once we let go, we can click here where it says group. Now once we group that is now one element, and as we can see, it moves around as one. Now to ungroup this is very simple as well. All we have to do is click back onto the group, and then we can click ungroup, and now that's back to being two separate texts. So that's just how simple it is to group text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.